Okay, I'm gonna do a quick video. If you're leaving for a couple of weeks, like we're leaving for the Christmas and New Year's holidays, on what you need to do on your RV before you leave, and maybe a couple of days before you want to close your gray tanks. That's your shower and your kitchen and all that. You want to close those. So these are the grays. I've already flushed it and everything, so I keep them open when I'm leaving. And my black tank is right here. Make sure that's closed all the way, the black. And what you want to do is go ahead and flush your system. Flush it really good. And I'm gonna walk inside and show you what I do before I leave. Of course, you want to clean up a little bit as much as you can. So I'm gonna make sure all my lights and everything turn off. And you see I got a washer and dryer. If you're in the oil and gas field, hey, this is a necessity. You need a washer and dryer combo. I got this, I've had this for about 1.5 years, and I'm really impressed with everything. You wanna make sure everything's in order. And another thing, make sure you unplug everything. I don't leave nothing plugged in, like my outlets. I make sure everything's unplugged. See my computer plug. You see nothing is plugged into my outlets. Even up here, make sure those, and down here, zoom in. The only thing I really got plugged in is my Wi-Fi, because I got a Ring camera, so it needs the Wi-Fi system. And before you leave, here go what I do. I come here to the controls and I turn all these lights off. I may keep the accent light on. Turn these lights off in the bedroom, and also my water pump heater. I turn it off just in case the water tank get empty. I don't want to burn it up. So you see nothing on here is on except the connection, Wi-Fi and all that. And I set my temperature. We in December, so it's been hot. So I set it on AC, and I set it to about 78. And I got 3 units. And the third unit in the back, I just turn it off. So if I go to all these different modes, you see right there, and I got it low cool, but what I want to do is put it on auto. So it's on auto. I'm gonna go to the zones. That's the living room, that's the bedroom. As you can see, it's set at 78. And this one off that third room back here, this is the living room, it's set at 78. And I keep it at that. Like I said, I turn my electric pumps and everything off. And we'll walk to the back. And what I'm gonna do also, I turn my water off. And I got quick disconnects. Man, this is the best system in the world right here, this quick disconnect. So only thing I have to do is just turn it off right there, you know. But if the water hose or something busts, it'll leak. So this will leak, but what you want to do, you can come home. You got all these plugs right here. You can go ahead and turn it off here if you want to, or you can turn it off right here, or turn the whole system off. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just go ahead and turn it off right there. And this one's already off, so everything's off. And this is all you really need to do. Just make sure everything's set up. And if you guys got some recommendations, put them in the comments. But this is what I do with my Flagstaff. It's a 832 DBS. It's a 2024. So this is what I do to my RV. And matter of fact, my neighbor, he got a Flagstaff also. And I'm ready to go. Only thing I need to do is make sure everything's locked and everything's in place. And as you can see, I got my Ring camera. That's why I kept my Wi-Fi. Hey, if you don't have one of these and you going in, you use your RV a lot, this is the way to go. You don't have to worry about keys, and it comes with a key. You also got a remote you can open and close, but that's all you do. So I'm gonna go around and make sure everything's locked, and I'm gonna hit the road. All right, thanks for watching, and subscribe to my channel, and have a great day. And if you want some of these accessories, I'll put them in the comments below, or I'll put it in the description down there. All right. Okay, have a great day.